Jackson from B9 Baseball, and I just wanted to show you what's in my bag. First, we're going to start off with the bats. I got a Louisville Slugger Major League Baseball youth bat Grand Slam. It says Bryce Harper on it. So next, we have a 29-inch Easton Drop 10. A really nice bat. It's a composite. So next we have a Easton Big Barrel 27-inch Drop 10 too. This is my gamer, so this is a really worn-in bat. So this is mine, really good bat that I use. Next we have a Easton 28-inch Drop 13, very light. So, and next we got a Skinny Barrel Easton Drop 12. 28 inches, pretty much like the other one, but this one is pretty much a little lighter. So we have some ranch sunflower seeds, a Ego Shield camo sleeve. I just bought this. I could use it anytime for any team, so. A pink, white, and black one for cancer awareness and Mother's Day. I got a blue, gray, and white sleeve for last year for Hustle. So this is pretty old. I don't use it that much anymore for my new team. I'm about to get a new sleeve for my new team. We got some baseballs. Tennis ball, my team colors, number 12, my number, blue, white, and black, red and black necklace. I wear this anywhere just for fun. I got a pink and black one for cancer awareness and Mother's Day, of course. Some put on eye black. My Under Armour glasses, pretty cool. And some eye black. Pink wristbands for cancer awareness and Mother's Day, of course. A wristband, number 12 on it, my number. Some TPX Louisville Sluggers batting gloves. So these, this one I don't really use. I use this for my gloves. I got my Rawlings Revo glove, 11 1/4. This is a real nice glove. I prefer this glove. It is a infielder's glove. Look, you can see signature, another signature, and this one is Jose Altuve's signature right through here. We got my first base mitt, pretty broken. Wilson glove, A800, so nice glove. I got a glove. If you ever heard of Brandon Back, he played for the Houston Astros. That's his name. He gave it to me because he used this in the College World Series and Major League sometimes. So it's pretty cool to give it to me. a weight for my bat and everybody else on my team. Next we have a Easton helmet. Don't have my team logo on it yet, so I'm still trying to buy some what's it called? I forgot oh, I meant pine tar, so I can rub it all on here in my wood bat. Last, but definitely, not last, we have a little thing for water. Me and my friends do waterfalls with it, if you know what those are. Then we have my KDs for turf. I use these most of the time for turf, like, cause I practice and play at Big League Dreams and the scrapyard, and I use these for turf. Next, we have my cleats. I use these for dirt fields, and we don't really go to dirt fields that much, so I pretty much use these for dirt. Then I have my Marucci bag. I put all my stuff in it to bring the baseball. I don't put like my true stuff in it, so then we have my boom bag. It's a really nice bag. It has all kinds of compartments. As you can see, it says Jackson right there on it, my name and everything. It's pretty cool. And that is it for my baseball bag video. Please comment below and like the video.